Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up a honey glazed ham on the Weber Kettle. It's Easter. Happy Easter, folks. And I am smoking with some apple chips. I didn't have any chunks, so I just threw them on. And I got to kick the exhaust fan back on, and I will be back in a few. So we got the Weber up to 275. That's what we're rolling with, and spritzing every 20 minutes or so with water, and cook it a little slower than I expected. So I'm bumping it up, trying to get it over 300 and get this thing to 140 degrees to pull it out. But we're gonna put a glaze on it and do that the last 20 minutes. Just about 130, 135 degrees. Brush on some glaze, let that set in real nice, pull it off, cut her up. Happy Easter. Oh, hell yeah. Ham is rocking, always. Easter, folks. I'm taking a little taste before I go in. Look at that monster. Have you ever had a bad ham? Oh, hell no. And that edge, ooh, that caramelized maple glaze, oh hell yeah. A little crispy there, ooh, delicious, oh hell yeah. It's like candy, baby. Happy Easter, folks. I'm gonna bring this in, cut it up. Oh hell yeah. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. So, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is. Oh hell yeah. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the thumb. What the f***? I don't even remember.